Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And here we're going to be doing part two of substitution, the math way. So, without further delay, let us begin. As you can see here, I've presented you two different problems that we have here, which is negative 2x equals y and negative 5x minus 4y equals negative 37. Just like I promised last time, it's not just like the first problem where we saw, it's not always straightforward like that. There'll be problems that look something like this. So, what do you do in this case? So, the thing here, let me rewrite this. You got negative 2x equals y, but then you also have negative 5x minus 4y equals negative 37. So, one of the things that you do is the first step you think is the meaning of substitution really comes into mind now. You see this y is equal to negative 2x is indicating that y is the same as negative 2x. So whatever y you have, which is here, you want to replace that, substitute it, that y with negative 2x. So how does that look? Let's show it over here. So negative 5x minus 4, I change, I'll open up y and I replace, instead of writing y here, I put negative 2x. You see? Just like here. And then I write the rest of the problem as normal. So then I have negative 5x minus, I'm going to have to distribute. It'll be, with the sign here, it'll be negative, so it'll be negative 5x minus, for now, negative 8x parentheses equals negative 37. Okay, so far so good. Now the next thing I do is this negative sign has to be distributed as well. So it'll be negative 5x plus 8x is equal to negative 37. All right, then you're going to combine like terms. Negative 5 plus 8x, or 8x minus 5, is simply 3x. Okay, 3x, that's what we have here. It has positive since the 8 is a positive, it's the higher absolute value, so it has 3x equals negative 37. Now, you have to divide both sides by 3. So that'll be x equals negative 37 over 3. Or you could simply say, you see, 3 goes into 37 12 times, negative 12. You got a third, and that's just 1/3. Okay? Or negative 12.333. But I'm going to keep it in this form for, multiplication purposes. Okay, so now we have x. So now we need to find the y. So the y, as indicated here, that we have here already. Actually, remove that to avoid confusion. We already have the y, which is negative 2x. So what we're going to do is, let me put the separation here. Since y is equal to negative 2x, I'm going to replace that x and put negative 37 over 3 times negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 37 is simply is positive 74 over 3. Okay? That's our y. 74 over 3. Straightforward. Now that we have our y, we're going to plug in the x that we know. The x is over here. And our y into this problem over here to confirm and check if that's correct. So let's put the check now. So negative 5x minus 4y is equal to negative 37. So putting that together, negative 5 times our x, which is negative 37 over 3 minus 4 times 74 over 3 is supposed to be equal to negative 37. Okay? So, let's do this now. So, negative 5, I'm going to erase this part here so we got more room. All right? And actually, I'm going to clear out the rest of the space here. So I can write that down. So let me just remove this here. Boom. No, not that part. That's all. That's everything. Actually, let's reverse. I bring it all back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna erase this portion here, so it can save us time. Okay. Erase this line here, and I'm gonna erase this part here to give room so you can see what I'm doing over here. All right. So continuing forward. So I'm gonna bring this over here. So negative 5 times negative 37 over 3 minus 4, 74 on top, 3 on the bottom. All of that is equal to negative 37. So let me erase this also so that it doesn't confuse. All right. Equals negative 37. All right. Okay. So let's multiply. Negative 5 times negative 37. So we're going to have, that's going to be positive. The 3 is going to be the bottom, obviously. So we got, see, 5 here, 35, and then 15, and plus 3. So that's 185 over here, over 3, minus, you got 4 times 74. The 3 is in the bottom again. And you have 3 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. Boom. You carry that 1 over there. And then you got 4 times 7, 28, plus 1, 29. Okay? That's supposed to all equal to negative 37. All right, so we got 185 on the left, and you got over 3 minus 296 over 3 on our right. It's supposed to equal to negative 37. Okay? So when we do the math here, it's going to give us negative 111 over 3, and that does equal to negative 37. All right? So that is it. That's how you solve it step by step. Okay? Take care and see you next time. Bye-bye.